want me to say something?
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
So good morning.
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Hi, how are you feeling at Oxfam? What are you looking forward to the event tonight?
It's a nice bright sunny day with a cool breeze. So that's exactly what I expect from here. It's my first time here, and I heard a lot of things about this, and I just want to have a fulfilling conversations with people. I'm really looking forward to meeting people and having interesting conversations with them and being part of this festive atmosphere.
What do you think about the unstereotyped cinema that is just the tag that is given to Oxfam and Marvel alike?
I think it's very important for people to take that initiative to break stereotypes because there's trendsetters are really important in the creative fields because somebody sets a trend and then people follow it and sometimes they even better that trend and sometimes they just squeeze the life out of it. But in life you need trendsetters, and I'm really glad that this initiative is being taken here, and it's sort of applauding and supporting trendsetters.
How do you feel? Your movie was the opening movie of Marvel. How was it? What was the experience there?
I feel like a superstar right now. For 15 minutes at least, and then I'll be back on the ground. Please let me fly for 15 minutes.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sure. No, I was asking her to stand over please and cutting is okay.
Oh, sure.
Just about Oxfam, maybe? Just
Sure.
we have some questions. We can, yeah. Yeah, we'll have a, yes, sure. We are. Kiran ma'am.
It's just tough feeling. It's just so busy.
Yes, yeah.
Everything we're supposed to be doing. No, अभी आइए ना.
अच्छा ठीक है बढ़िया है
Sorry, Oxfam का कोई पूछने वाला है ना? हाँ. This is the Oxfam, no?
Jojan will be asking about Oxfam.
Yeah. Hi.
So Oxfam Women in Film Brunch, 3rd edition, what are your thoughts about it?
Well, I think we're all, both of us, very happy that Mami's been able to collaborate with Oxfam now for 3 years. It's one of the things that we look forward to because we have a room full of people who make interesting and really progressive content, and women are at the focus of it. So for us, it's a particularly proud moment.
So what do you think is the importance of recognizing films that break gender stereotypes and challenge patriarchy?
Well, I just hope that recognizing these films and giving them an award will encourage other people and also sort of sensitize audiences to like, okay, wow, this film, it did it differently. And maybe we don't always see that. We're bombarded by so many images. So when you single out a film for having done this specific thing nicely, I think it just helps to change the conversation.
Amrit sir, my question is to you. How do you feel about hosting Oxfam for the 3rd time this year? And how do you feel about getting all the mindsets together? Like both of you all being
Yeah.
part of this, yeah?
So we are absolutely delighted and privileged to be collaborating with Mami. And I do think that the gender justice movement globally and in India is reaching a tipping point. And in that tipping point, I think Bollywood can play a very critical role. It's really about setting the narrative. And I think this brunch is all about talking about that narrative. So we're delighted to be here and partnering with all of you.
So one last question. In the ideal world of women in cinema, what are some of the stereotypes that you would like to break away from?
There are too many. How long do we have? The suffering mother, the suffering wife, I just think I'd like to see women who are complicated and maybe women who are messy. They don't have to be a certain way. They don't necessarily also have to have the burden of being good. I think the onus of morality does not have to be on female characters always, I think those are some of the sort of more layered narratives I would like to see around women.
Would I like to add anything? I second everything she says. I mean, we all want to see more sort of well-bodied, flesh and blood women in films, and of course, as Anu said, we don't necessarily need them to all be good and all give the right messages, but we essentially need them to be interesting, complicated, layered characters and be written with as much agency and as much interest as we write male characters. That's
One last question. Last time there were 4 films that got nominated. This time we have 8 films. Double awards. What do you think about that?
So that's exciting. It just shows that you have more films which are reflecting the ethos of gender justice. And I hope next time it's 16 and it just goes on.
Yeah.
And it's really, I think it's a reflection of the times where very quickly you're seeing many more people becoming sensitive. And I would very strongly third what's been already said. It is also about, I think, breaking the stereotype and creating counter narratives.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so welcome to the Oxfam Mami.
Thank you.
The theme for this year's brunch is women in film. What are your thoughts?
My thoughts, I think we're going to celebrate some amazing women in real life, and I am very happy to be a part of this entire thing. My film premieres at Mami this year, so all the more happy. One more reason for me to celebrate.
The theme for this year's Oxfam Award for Best Film for Gender Equality is Unstereotyped Cinema is the theme for Oxfam Award for Best Film for Gender Equality. What are your thoughts on that?
I'm sorry, I can't.
Unstereotyped cinema. Unstereotyped cinema.
I love the way cinema in general in India is the way it's evolving. There are a lot of experiments, a lot of amazing stories that are being told. And yes, my thoughts are very positive. I think we are heading in a very interesting direction, and I am very happy to be a part of unstereotyped cinema myself as well.
One last question for you. The ideal world for women in cinema, what are some of the stereotypes that you would like to break away from?
Well, as an actress, I wouldn't want to do only leading lady parts. I am hungry for out of the box. Something different, and I think that's being valued, and I like that space. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
This year, the theme of the Oxfam Award has been given out is unstereotyped cinema. Unstereotyped cinema, and you've been very vocal about it. So what are your thoughts this year?
I think I've been doing unstereotyped cinema for a long time now, and I think our audiences are changing, which is a very positive thing, and the so-called unstereotyped cinema is gaining more popularity, and I think we are having films with all kinds of subjects, different kind of storytelling. People are traveling, mixing things, and I have just finished filming my directorial debut, and I made the film in English, Hindi and Italian, and I shot it in Rome. So I think 10 years back, it would have been unimaginable for me to even think about a film like this. So I think unstereotyping filmmaking is really, really gaining the momentum, and I love platforms like this. I love supports like this, and we have to continue this voice, because cinema is really a very important tool of popular culture, and we can change a lot of the thinking in youngsters through pop culture.
So, theme for the brunch is women in film.
Yes.
So, and we have so many wonderful women who are out of cinema for such a long time. What are your thoughts?
I think the day we stop thinking, okay, men and women in filming is where we will say that yes, I would have really serious thoughts on it. We still have to underline the fact that women in film, and I think there would be a day where we will not think gender at all. It will just be films and filmmakers, and I'm still looking forward to that day. Thanks. sorry, 1 minute. Sorry. I want to take this, no? Yeah, hi. Thank you.
And the topic and the theme for this particular year is unstereotyped cinema, and you've been quite into about it. So what are your thoughts this year on the Oscar Award for unstereotyped?
Sorry.
Unstereotyping cinema is the theme for this year's
Right.
award. So what are your thoughts?
I mean, there's no thoughts. It's time to unstereotyping cinema. It's nice to have a slightly more eclectic bunch of films, and I mean, I don't need to say it, but I've always fought against stereotype, at least in my case, and even with whatever minimal body of work I've done. You know, you tend to get stereotyped, you know, in some way or the other. And the point is to be able to break that. The point is to be able to look at new stories, look at people differently, look at the world differently. And as it's getting smaller, at least festivals bring you a point of view, a culture from various parts of the world. And it's exciting.
My next question is, in the ideal world for women in cinema, what are some of the stereotypes that you would like to break away from?
What are stereotypes? You know, I think that there's a fear that women's stories don't sell. I think that's the biggest stereotype in at least our industry, and I think that's world over. And I think that's the biggest break, because once you break away from that and you realize that women make half the planet and half the audience, and we need to tell their stories as well, I think that in itself will start changing the narrative. Yeah.
So this time for the Oscar Best Film Gender Equality Award, we've got 9 films that were nominated last year. It was 8 films last year. It was just 4.
Yeah.
So what do you think this change has brought into the? We've got double of films this time.
I mean, I just think there are more filmmakers. I think there are more filmmakers. I mean, firstly, there are more women making films, whether it's producing or directing. There are more. There are more screens, more platforms, so various kinds of content is required suddenly. So there are diverse views and diverse people making films. So that is going to definitely grow in various genres. It's going to grow. Thank you.
So, okay. So, Viviana, so I think this is the third edition of the Oscar brunch. And the first question of the brunch is women in film. What are your thoughts about women in film?
In the present situation, I think if you're talking in front of the camera, it's really beautiful. If you're talking off camera, I think we're getting there. There was a need for a platform for women to talk together, to support each other, and I think there was nobody to really hear those voices. It's finally come on its own, and it feels really heartening that women can finally talk. So I would say in front of camera and behind it, the scenario for women is looking very promising.
This year's theme is unstereotyped cinema, and what kind of stereotypes would you like to break, or have you broken in this period of time?
I think in my career I've always broken stereotypes. In fact, I don't like being given an image ever. And I think what, as an audience, we are doing is breaking real stereotypes. If you watch films that have just come by, if you see a Badhai Ho or something like that, you're lauding Surekha Sikri, you're lauding a Neena Gupta, the elder couple, as much as, or even more than the lead. And that is so heartening that you probably wouldn't have thought in the cinema happening. So I think it's great, it's story oriented, and we are celebrating women. Of course होता है, हम आंखें बंद करके ऐसा खुश नहीं हो सकते, लेकिन उस पर काम हो रहा है और बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है। जी शुक्रिया। जी जी मुझे लगता है हमें इंडस्ट्री तक सीमित नहीं कर देना चाहिए। जहाँ पर भी काम होगा, महिलाएं काम पे जाएंगी, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होंगी, वहाँ पावर प्ले होगा और हरासमेंट होगी। वो चाहे औरतों के लिए हो, मर्दों के लिए भी हो सकती है। तो वो जो स्ट्रॉन्ग पोजीशन में है शायद वो अपनी बात ज़्यादा रखते हैं। सो मुझे लगता है कि अब एक हेल्दी एटमॉस्फेयर बनाने की ज़रूरत है जहाँ पर लोग बिंदास अपना बेबाक होकर काम कर सकें और जहाँ घबराहटें, डर वगैरह ना हो। मेरी सिर्फ इतनी इल्तिजा है सबसे कि जो मूवमेंट सब इतना मिलकर कर रहे हैं उसे डाइल्यूट ना होने दें। अनोनिमिटी से हटकर सामने आए, अपने नाम लेकर आए और कहें कि हाँ हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ। क्योंकि वो पर्दे के पीछे में कई बार कुछ लोग जो नहीं इनोसेंट भी होंगे, शायद उनके नाम भी आ जाएं, विच आई थिंक वी शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल इनफ। इस मूवमेंट को बहुत आगे लेकर जाना है, तो इसे किसी भी तरह से डाइल्यूट नहीं होना। शुक्रिया, थैंक्स।
Hey, did you get your picture? Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
Good to see you. Yeah, so good to see you.
You just do some vibes?
Yeah.
So welcome to the Oxfam Mami final edition of the brunch that is women in cinema. Let's go with the theme women in cinema. Amongst them you made some women-oriented films, Sarojini, Mary Kom. What would you like to say?
Basically, I don't know, I started my career with, yes, women-oriented films, and I believe in them, and I have a strong person next to me over here who inspires me throughout, and it's a nice thing that this is the third year and Mami is doing something which is, women-centric films and women in film industry. I back them completely, and I don't know, somehow I'm drawn towards it, and I try making movies only on women. I don't know how.
In your process of filmmaking, how have you broken stereotypes?
Yeah, the first film is a breaking of stereotypes in the sense I didn't want to do a movie that will blend in on the shelf. I wanted it to stand out, and that's why a biopic at that time, who people didn't venture in, a female-oriented movie which people didn't venture in, was my first step. And basically that was breaking the stereotype of movies that we generally see, and that's how I created a niche for myself.
Yeah.
What do you think about this unstereotyping cinema? What are your, you know the industry crisis, right? How have you created, how have you broken stereotypes in your
I think I've always thought out of the box. So if you see my work, I'm a production designer in the film industry, and I've never stuck with the norm and always wanted to fly a bit higher. But we are always constricted in our thoughts and all, and I'm trying to break those norms. I'm still trying to break those norms, but through my creativity, I think I've achieved quite a lot. I've done production design for the most fabulous films, from Black to Savaria to Mary Kom to Sarabjit. So these are all challenges, and challenges excite me, and I'm always breaking the norms, I think, in my own way. Yeah.
One last question. So this time we have, every year we have an Oxfam Award for Best Film on Gender Equality. Last year there were 4 films, this time we have 8. And they're all about stories where there's
Sorry, the last
my
one?
thoughts on that. The last year was 4 films, this time we have 8 films that have been part of the So what are your thoughts?
I would love to be one of them, though I'm not here. But it's fantastic that we are growing in numbers, and there are excellent movies which are getting selected. And yes, they are nominated for Oscars also. And that is what excites me. And it's not how big or small movie that you make; it's a story that you're telling and how different you're telling.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. All together. Why? We just keep giggling. Yes, hi, Manji. Lovely to meet you. Thank you for having me. Thank you. Pleasure for mine. Thank
Ma'am, one for the BBC. Shall we can do one for the BBC. Okay. What is it? The picture. It's a picture.
Should we do together bites?
One together only.
Together bites. Come, let's bite together.
Come on.
Hi.
We got edition of the Oxfam Army brunch, and the theme for this year is unscathed by silver. So we want to ask how to commemorate the stereotypes that we use with the film.
Can't hear jack shit.
Sorry.
So, how have you broken the stereotypes in the past number of years that we've been in the film industry? What are the changes that you have seen that has been there?
Have you broken stereotypes?
We've broken our own stereotypes. We have to stomp our own selves. Have you seen any stereotypes been broken? Okay, yeah. So I think in the last decade or so, there have been a lot of well-written and strong female characters in cinema. Not enough and not as many as there should be, but definitely it seems to be on the rise.
Well, I think we're just about at the brink of making breakthroughs where women in cinema are concerned, and if everyone's aware of what's happening at the moment, how women are speaking up to find their own place as directors, as actors, as filmmakers in the medium, not just from the point of view of stories, which, yes, as Shruti said, we've been focusing on women-centric films. I think that it's just about open the market. We've seen that you don't need to have a big-ticket actor in a film to make sure that the content will lead you somewhere interesting. So that's a big one. And yes, hopefully if things go our way, and I'm sorry for sounding like one Krantikari, then it should be a much better place for women in film.
I think there has been many attempts at breaking stereotypes, but mostly failed attempts, because it's not been a united attempt. You know, when everybody recognizes that you should treat women like a normal human being, and it's not like women can only be the pretty virginal kinds or the vamp, you know, where people, yeah, it can't be that binary. You know, we are as grey, and we can be as normal also as our male counterparts. So I think that, and also some onus is on, you know, when I'm an actor, and I feel we also have to take some onus on ourselves that when you come across scripts which are misogynistic, which are sexist, which put women or any other, in terms of gender, in terms of class, caste, whatever it is, whatever is politically incorrect, you should put your foot down and try and avoid playing those characters. When it comes to item songs and objectifying of women, which has been happening for, forever, I think we also have a responsibility to choose smartly, and so it's a both. And only once we start choosing wisely and put our foot down, I think people will also start writing them better. Yeah. So we won the Oxfam Award. Yeah. Right. I don't know if we have doubled or not, but definitely more voices can be heard. I think newer voices and newer expressions are being heard, and it's a great time, honestly. I'm very happy, and I think all of us right here, right now, feel incredibly grateful and proud of this moment that, it is really a watershed moment in all our lives. I think it should have happened, whatever is happening, should have happened generations ago, and it's finally happening. Although, as Minnie said, we are just at the brink, and this is just the tip of the iceberg, and we have a long way to go. And I think sisterhood needs to find new meaning, and we need to be with each other and stand with each other and have each other's backs. And male and female are not opposing forces, it is like yin and yang, and we need to find that balance.
Thank you everybody.
Hi. Welcome to the third edition of the Oxfam Design. This year we have the theme which is called Unstereotyped Cinema. Your film listed under my profile was one of those films that won the award with the Oxfam for the Best in Media Quality. So it broke a lot of stereotypes. How has it changed from here?
I think I've changed completely after my film because, I saw cinema very differently till I did a film which was a feminist film. And I didn't even realize it till, the band came about, and then there was a fight and there were conversations around the film. And I think the past 1 year for me has been very enlightening because I've realized how important it is to be a woman in the Hindi film industry and not be, treated as just an object. And I think a lot of clarity came to me after the film because on the panel obviously there was Konkana, there was Ratna ma'am, Plavita, so there were 4 different points of views, and Alankrita of course. So I think there's so much clarity in me today about being a woman. I'm so glad there's conversation around women we're speaking about safety of women in not only in the film industry but across all the industries. And suddenly I was talking to my sister this morning and she was telling me how her HR was briefing her that if there's any sexual harassment, it's going to be taken very seriously, and she's not even part of the Hindi films, she's just working in an MNC. So now you see suddenly everybody's taken a sudden backseat has been taken, and the men are suddenly fearing, behaving inappropriately with a woman consciously or unconsciously as well. So I think that change needed to take place, and I'm glad there's a conversation around it. Next year there'll be 12 or maybe 20. I think we have to move ahead and work towards world cinema. The world has moved towards it. So I think why should our Hindi film industry that actually produces so much content in a year annually, we have so many different types of cinema, we have so much regional cinema. And when regional cinema can actually make different kinds of, different topics, different conversations, then why can't Hindi cinema also? And it's a very good time right now because, I'm watching so much world cinema and I realized my God, what's hit me? There's so much happening across the world and we're still in that song and dance loop. So I think we need to break away from that, and that's the only way we'll unstereotype is when producers will get money to make those kind of films, and actors get paid to do that kind of jobs, So I think that equal distribution is going to take place here. Thank you so much.
But can you tell me what?
He's going to ask you only about Oxfam. How about the brunch? How all the mindsets are coming together on this
So you want her here?
Yeah, just come.
Yes, please.
They just want to take a cutaways first and then the bites. Sure. Yeah, just wait. Dad? Thank you.
Welcome, Mama, to the third edition of the Oxfam Film Brunch. इस बार का जो थीम है for the Oxfam Award Best Film Quality है #Unstereotyped Cinema.
Right.
तो आपकी क्या राय है?
I'm glad to be a part of such a prestigious event, and I'm just happy to be here.
आपके करियर में आपने कैसे स्टीरियोटाइप को तोड़ा है और अपने आप के लिए मुकाम बनाया है?
I've been a part of this industry for almost now more than 15 years. Yes, just keep on doing different kind of cinema and be a part of challenging roles, and I think that's how we break the stereotype. Thank you. forward to this event every year because it's so inspiring to meet women who are contributing to the film industry in many different ways. As someone who's not only interested in front of the camera but also behind the camera, it's extremely motivating for me every time I come here to interact and engage with these wonderful women. And Oxfam has always taken this initiative to celebrate gender equality, and I think the first step in that would be to get women together to have a conversation and most definitely to have as much equality participation as they can do. So yeah.
The next question is that this time we have 8 films that are part of the Oxfam Award.
Okay.
The Oxfam Best Film for Gender Equality.
Okay.
And in 8 films that you made for the one. So what do you think about it? What's the change?
Well, I'm happy even if they've male filmmakers, if they are making films that are celebrating women, that are giving women as much weightage, importance and good work, fair enough. But I think I'd love it if we have more female filmmakers who also make, films celebrating. Thank you so much. Hi. Thank you. Women in film. That's the that's a very noble, not very stereotypical theme. And no, yaar, we believe in equality, and I'm looking forward to going inside. I have already met a friend of mine, and I'm looking forward to have some great food and have some lovely conversations. Not every day that you get to meet really intelligent people from the fraternity and discuss and converse with them. So yeah, I'm looking forward to a lot of great verbos. Thank you. जी? मेरी राय यही है, अभी मैंने एक्चुअली बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ हुई थी, मैंने एक परफॉर्मेंस देखा था कहीं पे, तो मैं एक ही चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगी, हम हमेशा बोलते रहते हैं बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. आई थिंक इट शुड बी कि लड़कों को पढ़ाओ और लड़कों को समझाओ और उनको रिस्पेक्ट और बीइंग नॉर्मल का मतलब बताओ, और ना समझ में आए तो डांट के समझाओ. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई हैव टू से अबाउट जेंडर इक्वालिटी इन आवर कंट्री राइट नाउ. थैंक यू.
Hi.
Welcome to the board edition of the Oxfam
Thank you.
Women in Film Branch. It's a great occasion this time that we have 8 films that we nominated for the Oxfam Best Contemporary Film.
I think first of all, this branch which has been organized by Oxfam, I think to be a part of it is really amazing because the kind of causes and aspects that they stand by about human justice in different aspects, I think that is amazing, from education to violence to every possible injustice that you feel or an anti-social element that you feel exists. So that is amazing to be a part of it. And it's my first time, so I'm really excited. I'm quite looking forward to it.
So this year the theme is Unstereotyped Cinema for the Oxfam. So in your career, sir, how many stereotypes
हम लोग कभी आइसोलेशन में काम नहीं कर सकते. It's always a teamwork. And